The Civil War is over, but how do you rebuild a nation that nearly tore itself apart? Welcome to the Reconstruction period, one of the most important and misunderstood chapters in American history. Reconstruction had three key goals: reunite the Union, rebuild the South, and secure rights for freed African Americans. But leaders had different visions. Lincoln wanted unity, Congress wanted justice, and Andrew Johnson, well, he clashed with both. Pop quiz. Which president took over after Lincoln's assassination? Answer: Andrew Johnson. His approach sparked major conflict with the Republican-controlled Congress. In 1865, the Congress created the Freedmen's Bureau to help formerly enslaved people with education, food, and legal aid. Three powerful amendments followed: abolishing slavery, granting citizenship, and protecting voting rights. During Reconstruction, African Americans voted, held office, and built strong communities. For many, it was their first taste of true freedom and political power. But not everyone was ready for change. The Ku Klux Klan rose up. Southern states passed black codes to limit freedoms. Violence and fear became tools to suppress progress. Trivia time. What were black codes? Answer: laws that restricted African Americans' rights in the South after the Civil War. To enforce Reconstruction, the South was divided into 5 military districts under federal control, as mandated by the Reconstruction Act of 1867. Eventually, political pressure led to the Compromise of 1877, which ended Reconstruction. When the troops left, protections for Black Americans collapsed. Jim Crow laws soon took over, ushering in nearly a century of segregation. Reconstruction achieved bold reforms, but many were short-lived due to racism and resistance. Pop quiz. Which amendment granted citizenship to all people born in the U.S.? Answer: the 14th Amendment. Despite the setbacks, African Americans made powerful strides during this era. Education and community remained cornerstones of empowerment. The fight for justice didn't end in 1877. It inspired future movements. Let's recap. The goals: unity, equality, and rebuilding. The successes: civil rights, education, and political participation. The failures: racism, violence, and early withdrawal. Reconstruction shows us how fragile freedom can be and how fiercely it must be protected. It also reminds us that history isn't just about the past. It's a mirror and a map. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.